Well, it seems like Tate has sent a message and responded to Elon Musk. We know that Elon Musk is the one that reinstated him back on Twitter because Elon is a G, and Tate has acknowledged that, and even said that he likes Elon Musk for what he's doing for the world, and how his attitude is. And recently Elon Musk tweeted saying, "I wish the media would stop flattering me all the time. It's a bit much, guys." And then pretty funny face. And he had a lot of replies, and one of them was Tate saying, "I know how you feel."
Pussy. If that upsets you, then you can't learn, right? It's Mike Tyson. Just shut up and listen. If someone richer than me comes along and says, "Andrew, you don't know shit. You're a dumbass and you're a brokey," I'm going to sit there and go, "Okay, maybe I'm a brokey, Elon."
At this moment, I feel like Tate, Elon Musk, and like Donald Trump are the biggest targets for the mainstream media because they're the most influential people, and I guess the most controversial people as well. Imagine if Tate and Elon Musk could form some kind of a relationship. That would be absolutely insane. But I feel like that wouldn't happen because Elon wouldn't take that big of a risk because Tate is a controversial person, and he's like the most controversial person on the internet, I feel like.